Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on technical view modes, which is new as of Twinmotion 2025.2 and helps creators with scene debugging. You can now activate different technical viewport modes to get a better look at the assets in your scene. The new view mode consists of default, Unlit, Wireframe, Lumen, and Nanite. To view these, you can go to the top right corner of the viewport. Here, the Unlit view mode enables users to focus solely on shapes, colors, and textures without the influence of lighting, making it ideal for checking UVs, materials, and flat color accuracy. Next, we have Wireframe, which provides a clear view of the underlying geometry, helping users analyze topology, detect hidden issues, and optimize mesh density. One option for optimizing mesh density is to use the LOD settings in the object parameters. Here, you will see that I am applying a level of detail preset to this object and changing the display LOD. And you can see the changes of mesh density within the wireframe view mode. Then we have Lumen. This shows Lumen's surface cache to show how indirect lighting is calculated. If you are seeing lighting artifacts in your scene, this is a great view mode to turn on to see what is happening within the scene's lighting. This can only be selected if using Lumen as your global illumination solution in the ambiance panel. In the Lumen view mode, areas in the scene that are yellow and magenta represent surfaces that were culled by Lumen and will not benefit from Lumen global illumination. Yellow areas are either too small, too big, or too far away. Magenta areas are too complex to be completely covered by mesh cards. These areas will not bounce light and will appear black in reflections. You can control the scene detail and view distance settings in the parameters to find settings that include your scene's important geometry. And lastly, there is Nanite, which displays the triangles of meshes produced by Nanite. Nanite is Unreal Engine's virtualized geometry system, which uses a new internal mesh format and rendering technology to render pixel scale detail and high object counts. If you are utilizing Nanite, this view mode can be turned on to make sure you are utilizing Nanite for compatible geometry. To enable Nanite, you can select the geometry in the scene graph or viewport, go to the parameters, and enable Nanite. Then you will see the triangles appear in the scene. Each of these viewport modes provides creators with greater control and visibility of the project while building out scenes. Thanks for joining this quick tutorial. We hope you enjoy the additional view modes while working.